Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will understand what is CSS and basic of CSS Selector. In Selenium, there are multiple strategies to locate a web element on a web page, and using CSS Selector to locate an element is one of them. In my previous video, I have explained how to use different XPath to locate a normal web element and a complex dynamic web element. So if you have not watched them, please go through those videos. In this current series, I will explain about CSS selector in detail. So what is CSS? CSS stand for Cascading Style Sheet, and it is a language to style a HTML document. CSS describe how HTML element should be displayed on a web page. So when we open a web page and we see how the elements are getting displayed, what is their font size, what color they have, what is their position, all these are because of CSS. So to show what is CSS, I will open a website and I will explain CSS over there. So this is a website W3 Schools. I have opened CSS home here. And as you can see it here, we have a CSS file example. I will click on try it yourself. On the left hand side, you can see this is the CSS code, CSS file code. On the right hand side, it is the look and feel of your web page. So if you see on the left hand side, we have few tags like body, H1P. So in this body, we have background color light blue. And that's why on the right hand side, you can see the whole page background color is light blue. So this particular background color, this particular this body element is controlling the color of this page. Similarly, we have this h1 tag, which means heading. P means paragraph. You can see it here. We have h1, we have written something inside the h1 heading 1, and this is my first CSS example. This is the same text we have here, and this inside this h1 we have mentioned what style this h1 will have. So as you can see it here, we have mentioned color as white, text align as center. That's why this h1 heading is coming in white color, and it is the position it is showing in the center of this page. So this is the CSS for this particular heading. Similarly, we have this paragraph, right? We have this is a paragraph. We have written this text inside a paragraph, and the look and feel, what font family we are using, it is controlling by this tag. It is mentioned over there. So if we change anything here, it will get reflect. I have changed the font size. I will click on run. Then you can see it here. It is getting changed. So that's how CSS control look and feel of a web page. We'll go back to our presentation. So now let's discuss what is CSS selector. CSS selector are one of the locator strategies offered by Selenium to identify the web element. There are multiple type of CSS selector which we will discuss in detail in upcoming videos. Right now I will just give you a brief what are the different CSS selector we have. So we have tag and ID, and I have mentioned the syntax over there, how to use it. We have tag and class. There is another tag and attribute. We have tag and multiple attribute. Similarly, tag and inner text, tag and substring. So we will discuss about each and every CSS selector in upcoming video. Today it was the introduction of CSS and CSS selector. We'll meet in next video and we'll discuss in detail. Till then, happy learning.